This video will show you how to narrate your PowerPoint slides and then convert it to MP4 video format. The first thing you want to do is consider taking your slides and chopping them up into shorter chapters so that you can create short videos. It's easier to edit and replace short videos than to completely redo a very long video. So once you have your PowerPoint open, click on Slideshow and then click on Record Slideshow and then click on Start Recording from Beginning. Then click on Start Recording. Now you can speak into your slides and talk about your content. You'll see here that the timer is going. This timer is for your slide and this timer is for the entire slideshow. Down towards the bottom, you have inking tools like the pen so you can draw on your slides, and you also have a laser pointer. Speak to your slides, and then to advance, press the spacebar on your keyboard. And then just keep speaking naturally, hitting the spacebar to advance your slides. If you want to pause, you can click the pause button here, or press the W to white out your screen. This will not be captured in your video. Press the W again to bring the screen back up, and you can press the B to black out your screen. Press the B again to bring that back up. Keep talking through your slides and pressing the spacebar, and when you're done, it'll bring you back to editing mode. You'll see on every single slide there is a speaker. So I can see the speaker right here, and when you click on it, it kind of gets covered up by this play bar, and if you want to, you can just bring it up a little bit. Now if there's a narration that you need to redo or edit a little bit, just right click on it and then click on Trim. You can trim the beginning and or the end. So if you make a mistake while narrating, it's a good idea just to pause and keep talking. That way you can find your pauses and trim what you don't need. Then click play to hear your edited recording. When I'm done, I click OK. If you want to edit one slide completely and change the narration, just delete the speaker and hit delete. And then go to Record Slideshow, Record from Current Slide, Start Recording. Speak into your slide, speak into your mic. When you're done, don't hit the space bar, hit the escape button on your computer to end that narration. It'll bring you back to editing mode. When you're finished, you can listen to your PowerPoint presentation by clicking on the slideshow button here to see a live version of your movie. When you're finished, save as, let me find my location. I'm going to use the desktop. Save as file type MP4 and then click Save. Down at the bottom, you'll see a status of your MP4 video. And when that is finished, it will be on your desktop or wherever you saved it. So let's check and see if it's on my desktop, and here it is. There's my MP4 video. And that's it.